Oh shit.
Hey, you ready? Okay, ding! Oh, I blame Dad for letting this go too far. So does he.
Oh shit.
Why me? Why? Now let brother do it. Brother's turn. Season 19, and they still don't know where to stand at a piñata party. Oh my God. Go, Davy. Either wear a seatbelt or don't let a 3-year-old drive. Push, Davy, push. Keep roughhousing like this, and I bet somebody's going to need some ice.
Oh! Oh shit!